In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sequence in Kit. We'll walk through the full process of creating an automated email sequence. So by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each setting does, and how to make sure your messages actually send to your audience. Start by opening Kit and looking at the top menu. Up there, find the option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down or the menu that appears, choose Sequences. This is where all of your automated email flows will live, and it's the place you'll come back to anytime you want to review or edit them. Once you're on the Sequences page, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says New Sequence. It should stand out visually, often in a red color. Click that button to start building a new flow. This is the first step in creating your automation. Next, you'll be asked to name your sequence. Pick a name that clearly describes its purpose, like Welcome Series or Onboarding Follow-up, so that later on you can easily recognize it among your other sequences. After you've named it, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Select the template that best matches the kind of sequence you want to send, and that will bring you into the email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see the structure of your sequence. On the left sidebar, you'll find your first email already created as part of the sequence. Click on that first email to start drafting your content. Write your subject line, your body copy, and make any formatting or link changes you need. When you're ready to add more emails, look for the option on that left sidebar that says Add Email. Click Add Email each time you want to create another message in the same sequence. This is how you build out a multi-step flow that goes out over several days or weeks. For each email you add, you'll also set a delay. At the top of the editor, you'll find a field labeled Delay. This is where you choose when that email should send relative to the previous one. For example, you might choose 1 day after the last email, or adjust the timing based on how frequently you want to contact your subscribers. Take a moment to set a delay for every email so the sequence flows at the right pace. Once your content and timing are in place, there is one critical step. You need to change each email's status from draft to published. In the top right corner of the editor for each individual email, you'll see a status control. Toggle that from draft to published. Do this for every email in the sequence. If any email stays in draft mode, it simply will not send, even if the rest of the sequence is active. After you've named your sequence, chosen your template, drafted your emails, set the delays, and published each message, your automated sequence in Kit is ready to go.